Gen Z dog sitting. I'll show you how the young people do it. They like to make sure their minds are stimulated. This is how you do it. In my day, we used to use a bowl to feed them. Now, this is how they do it now. It's modern. It's modern. It's modern. Gen Z dog sitting. I'm surviving. Crazy mutt. Maybe he could use a little less mental stimulation.
And I got this one. And where's Rosie? Where's Rosie? There's Rosie. There's Rosie. There's Sadie.
I've been carrying a bag around with me. Is to place the pieces of my shattered mind in hopes of someday reassembling them. I don't even know my generation anymore. I'm a Gen Xer, trying to dog sit for 6 weeks.